The CAMWorks ShopFloor Publisher add-in for SolidWorks allows you to generate ShopFloor files for a part, model assembly that has been programmed using SolidWorks CAM. To install the ShopFloor Publisher, double-click on the ShopFloorPublisher.exe file. Click Next, accept the End-User License Agreement, and click Next. On this screen, we can change the location on our hard drive where the installation will go. I will accept this default location and click Next. Now we are ready to complete the installation of CAMWorks ShopFloor Publisher. Click Install and then Finish. I can launch SolidWorks and open a part file. With the ShopFloor Publisher installed, I can go to my add-ins list and turn on the ShopFloor Publisher for SolidWorks CAM add-in. A new Command Manager toolbar tab is added, and I am now able to run the ShopFloor Publisher.